What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, again, we're going to be focusing on my Mark 6 TDI Sport Wagon. So a couple of months ago, I had made it was three videos regarding driving a manual transmission, which included, basics of actually how to operate one, how to hill start for beginners, different techniques that you can use, and then also I had a video on double clutching. So those videos actually got a very nice reception, really nice comments, a lot of questions, which is great. But one question that I've been getting a lot on those three videos as of recent is just to make a regular downshifting video, just a normal everyday, how to downshift properly, how to smoothly downshift. Some people are having problems getting their downshifts to be very crisp and smooth, and that's a issue I think that everybody, when they're first learning how to drive a manual, go through, where they have very jumpy and very not clean downshifts. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the technique that I use when I'm downshifting everyday driving, because as you guys know, my Sport Wagon is a manual. I drive it every day. It's my daily. So I'm driving a manual every day. That's all I drive, no auto. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to be putting my GoPro on my feet so you guys can see my feet technique on how to do it. And I'm going to try to explain it the best way I can, because it might be a little, I don't know if confusing is the right word, but I'm going to try and explain it the best way I can. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully it helps somebody out. That's the main goal. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I have my camera set up, I got the GoPro set up on my feet. So we're going to do some regular driving. It's going to be some regular, upshifting, and then getting into higher gears to be able to downshift and continuously show you guys the process of downshifting and the footwork that is involved in the downshifting. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we're going to get into the driving portion. There's going to be, like I said before, a little bit of upshifting with the downshifting. So hopefully there's enough light on my feet where the GoPro is from what I'm looking at. There should be. So anyways, let's get into the driving part. There are a little bit of bumps in the road, so hopefully the camera doesn't shake too much. The quality should be okay, I hope. But anyways guys, so we're gonna get up to fourth gear. So right now I'm in fourth gear. I want to downshift it to third. So if you guys want to see the footwork right here, that's third gear. I could even go into second gear right there. Very smooth. I'll go into fifth gear so that I can give you a couple of more good downshifts. So now we're in fifth gear. We're cruising along. You need a downshift. You're either trying to pass somebody on the highway, or your car is maybe revving too low for the speed that you're going, so you need to go, a little faster. So right when we get around this bend, so you're in fifth gear, you want to go back into fourth gear. That's fourth gear. You need to go into third gear, even second gear, completely smooth. Go back into third, back into fourth, downshift to third, that's third, to second, as simple as that. Now, what am I doing? So, basically on an everyday drive downshifting, you're not going to do anything fancy, so you need to basically rev match to the lower gear. So, as you guys can see in my footwork, simultaneously as I'm going into the lower gear, I'm blipping the throttle while I'm dropping the car into the lower gear, so that'll help the car rev match to make it smooth. If I didn't do that, so let me give you, for example, maybe the camera will pick it up. If I just clutch into the lower gear, you get that jerkiness. Into second gear, you get that back and forth jerkiness that's not clean. But we'll go back into fourth gear. If I'm in fourth and want to go into third, and I do rev match, it's super smooth even into second. I mean, it's 1, 2, 3, just completely smooth. Now what that's doing is, if you're rev matching, it's allowing you to rev the car up a little bit where the RPM should be when you're in the lower gear. So by you rev matching, you're matching what the RPM speed should be when you're going to be dropping the car into the lower gear. If you don't do it, then the engine and transmission speeds are going to be spinning at different times, which causes that jerkiness. So guys, that's essentially it. I mean, that's how you do it. That's the footwork of downshifting on a, this is just a regular daily driver downshift. This isn't anything fancy. This isn't as complicated as doing something like double clutching or heel towing, which is another very recommended video for me to do, which I might do. Even though I'm not very good at it, I know how to explain it and I can do it, but I'm not great at it, just because it's not a practice that I do all the time, nor do I go to the track, and perform autocross and all that stuff. So for me, it's kind of like a useless technique because I don't need it, but I could make a video about it. But guys, again, let me show you. I feel like repetition is the best way to really get something to go through your head. In general, with me too, you know, the more I see something, the more I hear it, the more it gets engraved into my mind. So, right here, we're in third gear. We're gonna go into fourth. Right, now we need to go into third because we're coming up on a red light. That's third gear. Second gear. As you can hear, the engine revs up very smooth. You don't see me jerking back and forth. The car's not rocking back and forth when it comes to that, which is what you want essentially if you're driving, to make it super smooth. So guys, that's pretty much it. In my next clips, I'll just keep it as me driving and just doing some, you know, upshifting and downshifting, just so you guys can see the functionality of it and how to properly do it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll go through it one more time. So we're gonna start in first gear, like normal. So we're off. I'm gonna make a right turn here. There's a couple of cars in front of me. So I'm in second gear right now. Gonna go into third gear right there. Fourth gear. So I'm in fourth gear. I need to go into third. So we're gonna go after this little bump. So I'm gonna go into third, rev match, off the clutch, third gear, rev match, off the clutch, second gear. So we need to go back into third, into fourth, we'll do it again. Need to go back into third gear, rev match, third gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, need to go back into third, there's third, second, and once again, guys, you're blipping the throttle and doing that small rev match to get the car to rev up, to get it to the higher RPM so it's smooth when you drop it into the lower gear. And that's essentially how to do a regular everyday downshift. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. So anyways, the downshifting process is extremely simple. As you can tell, it's only a couple of different things that you're doing simultaneously, from rev matching to dropping the car into the lower gear. There's nothing really complicated. It might get a little tricky. You might need to, learn where your car is happy with the, you know, how much you're revving or how much gas you're giving. You don't want to over rev it, or you don't want to do little too much where it still bogs. You'll get that sweet spot where it's right enough. But every car is a little different, so what I do in this car might be a little different than what I do on Mini or what I do in other cars that I drive. So it might take a couple of tries to get used to, but it's really simple. Hopefully you guys, like I said, enjoy the video. You guys are going to want to watch my next video. I'm finally doing the 0 to 60 between my stock tune well, my car comes with compared to the Stage 1 Plus tune from Kerma. So I'm going to be doing the 0 to 60 time differences from the stock tune to the Kerma tune. So hopefully you guys will watch that video. That's coming next after this one. So please watch it, like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing an okay job. But once again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's pretty simple. I like when you guys make a request to me on my videos from comments and let me know what I should do. So guys, if you have any other suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comments, or DM me on my social medias that I always include in the description of the video. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying this beautiful day out, and have a good one.